Hey guys, it is Sunday evening here in the Philippines, and we are going to do an unboxing on another Mopar. That's why we brought back out Mr.Norm's Grand Spaulding Dodge dealership. And as you can see, the light's already on in the showroom with the three beasts that we've already unboxed over the past couple of weeks. We have a 71 Charger RT, a 70 Challenger TA, and a 70 Challenger RT Hemi. Today what we're unboxing is one for probably our used car lot. That is our Greenlight John Wick 1968 Dodge Charger RT. And this car just did a very short cameo appearance in the background of John Wick's friend's garage, where he went to find out about the boss 429 and where he was given the 70 Chevelle. I think it was that scene. And they were sitting in the front of this 68 Dodge Charger RT. I actually did a web search on that because I could not recall where this car was in the movie. And that's where it was, just sitting in the background doing a cameo appearance. Maybe we'll see more of it in John Wick 4, who knows, but right now it was just kind of that cameo scene. Did not play a big role whatsoever in John Wick, but it was still there, and Greenlight had the casting, so hey, why not do it? So, as you can see on the package, it's just like most of the other John Wick cars, where it just says John Wick on a like black or bluish background, and this has like recommended for 17 years and older, 164 scale. This is series 33. This is the Greenlight Hollywood. And on the back, it gives you a slight background story on John Wick. When sadistic young thugs senselessly attack John Wick, a brilliantly lethal ex-assassin, they have no idea that they've just awakened the boogeyman. With New York City as his bullet-riddled playground, Wick embarks on a merciless rampage, hunting down his adversaries with the skill of ruthlessness that made him an underworld legend. And then at the bottom, some licensing stuff for Dodge and Lionsgate Films, and where to find Greenlight collectibles online. So let's get this guy out. I've already cut the backside of the package so we can get him out easily. Take a look at him. And I can reuse that clamshell package later on if I want to. So, there is your 68 RT with Magnum 500 wheels, and not a big fan of these white walls. So what we're going to do is flip them around to the black wall here in just a moment, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Because if you notice, like when you're rolling these, they don't even center their white wall so well from Greenlight. You can see it looks like the back wheel is bent, but I don't think it is. I think this car rolls fairly good. Yeah, this thing actually rolls really nice for a Greenlight. Axles are not bent at all on this bad boy. So, anyways, we'll flip it around to the black walls in a second. So as you can see, trademark side view for the 68 with the round marker lights. Every Mopar in 1968, Plymouth and Dodge, all had round marker lights. The open grille with the hideaway headlights is another dead giveaway for the 68. 70 also had hideaway headlights and an open grille, but it had the wraparound front bumper, whereas the 68 just has your horizontal front bumper in your normal place. And another iconic thing that I love about 68 are the round tail lights. Those look great on this car. So Greenlight did a very good job with all the details here. Nice job with the Charger on the B-pillar, satin black look to the roof to give it that vinyl top look with all the vinyl top trim highlighted there in silver. Door handles, door locks, once again marker lights, Charger RT in the grille opening hood with detailed engine, probably like a 383 big block, and black interior, detailed die-cast chassis, so it is metal on metal. And these are nice wheels and tires. They're narrow, so they suit the car very well. They're not really over wide like you've seen on the Challengers that they had. So pretty nice car. So let's go ahead and do what I was telling you about the tires and flip them around. Another downside sometimes with the Magnums, they don't detail the black center so well, as you can see on the back wheel. But we'll just go ahead and flip this tire around. And as you can see, that makes a huge difference. Looks much, much better, in my opinion. So as you can see, black walls do make it look much nicer versus the white walls. I just can't see a Charger RT with white walls, in my opinion. So let's get these flipped over here. And even the black paint in the Magnums looks a little bit better, even though it's like not laid out so good on these ones. But whenever the black wall is there, it does seem to highlight them a little bit better. And this tire has a white line on it, or white lettering. Hard to tell, but I'll take something and rub the rest of that white line off of that one. Looks like maybe they were going to do a white wall on that side and it messed up or something. But anyways, looks much better with black walls, in my opinion. So we're going to put him like on the outside as a used Mopar. As I mentioned before, we're trying to go with the look of like August of 1971 and August of 1970, where you would have 1971s and 1970s mixed together as your new models. And then this guy would be on our lot as a used vehicle. Just checking the chassis, making sure it's not tweaked. Sometimes Greenlight does that. They rivet down the chassis a little bit awkward and it tweaks the chassis. So it doesn't look too bad. So I think it'll be okay. And as I mentioned, the black walls look much better. I think I even have some M2 tires. If I have to, I'll swap it out with this one. I actually have a set of M2 black Stillies and M2 Magnums that would look killer on this car too. Even a set of Kelsey Hayes wheels, I think, so it would look good on that. But these Magnums do. So yeah, he'll just sit out here in front of the showroom or on the side of the showroom, like over here or something in my diorama for now as one of our used vehicles. And then we'll see what else we have coming up that we can add to the dealership. Excuse me, guys. And I may grab one or two Plymouths to put on the lot, but not sure because the Dodges are getting a little scarce around here nowadays. So may have to throw a couple Plymouths out there. Would like to stick with all Dodge right now, but this will have to do. So guys, thanks for watching. That's it for today. We will be back again this coming week with something else. We've got 3 weeks left of Christmas, so get all your Christmas shopping done, guys. So I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.